Good day, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be turning this photo from this into gold, like that. Okay, so I'll go straight forward to delete this layer. What I'll do is just duplicate this, holding Command J on Mac and Control J on Windows. Up to filter, camera raw filter, and then I would increase the temperature. Obviously what I'm seeing now. Probably want to increase the exposure, play around the highlights, shadow probably want to increase it, dark will probably want to reduce it. It's like this. Okay, so you can play around with the tools. Maybe I want to check clarity. So you can decide to play around with the tools to get the amount of code you are looking at for. Go straight to OK. Now but I want it to appear on just the body, not the entire body, not the entire picture. So I would want to apply the max to it. By holding my alt and then clicking on the max or option on the Mac. You pick up your brush with the white selected. You paint to reveal. The white reveals. You can use the closing and opening brackets to increase and decrease the brush, the size of the brush. Okay, you want to zoom in, Command plus or Control plus on your keyboard if you are using Windows. I want to reduce my brush more. And there we have the image. Put the yes. And there you have the image. Thank you very much for joining me in today's tutorial. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Bye.